Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well so far. So today we begin with the Dow Jones analysis, and then we begin with the stock analysis, and I'll also update you what we have been holding and what we are going to exit very soon in the stock. So with the Dow Jones, as I have told you all in my previous video that even though the market start going up, and even though the market goes up to the 500 or 400 points, still we can expect that the market is going to go down. All right, because we see that the RSI is traveling at the 70 level, and this has been the peak. And even though the market has been going upward direction, the RSI is showing less volume than the initial buy. All right, so we still think that the market might goes down, since that the market has started moving in bearish mode. All right, so from here the market started is going up, but it struggled a lot in here, and then it went down again. It tried to pull back. It started making high, but still from here I can see that the market might again go down and make double bottom. There is one more thing that I'm still curious, and I might be cautious on the zone level, which is this. All right, so from here I can still expect that the market might goes down and then goes up, because it has already broken the major resistance area. All right, and it might take support from this place and then goes down and then goes up. But what if the market goes down and again make this move and then goes down? This could also happen in the Dow Jones. So I'm still I'll just hold and wait for the major support area, which is going to be this area, which is going to be 35,000 to 34,900 points. All right, and then from here I'll see what exactly, if the market is supporting this zone and then goes up. All right, then we can really see that there are some other stock as well which is going to move upward direction. All right, so that's it for the Dow Jones for now. Now we move ahead with the SPY. As Dow Jones started moving up, it's also from here it has taken the support and started moving up. All right, so now we can see that this has been a great support. Also we see that this is supporting zone, which may come like this and then take support from this place, which is 437, and then goes up. All right, as I have been looking for a bearish move in the SPY, because every time it is going up it is struggling, not much premium to trade. So I'm still expect that the market as this is a bearish sign right now, so I can expect that the market will go down and take support from this place and then goes up. All right, so I'll be waiting for today's trade, I mean today initial market, and then I'll think that if the market goes bearish, I'll play I'll start buying put. All right, now moving ahead with the Apple. Now we see with the Apple stock, we can sense that the market moving in only this direction and making upper higher high. It's not kind of making any kind of channel or something. It's just making range. It's in a range bound, and I won't be surprised if the market move like this. All right, and then goes down, because still we are far away from the major resistance zone, which is $152. So I'm not really expecting for the Apple to go up right now, because as I can see on the Dow Jones and the SPY, they are started making bearish moves. So I still think that the market for the Apple also goes down, but I will be, I'll be cautious on this level, which is going to be $144. All right, so this is a $144 is a major and cautious zone which we should be worried about. And if it breaks down like this, and then we can expect that the market might goes up, and again my second buy will be this zone, although we are still holding this buy which is from $125. All right, but still if it comes down, I'll be adding some other quantities again and then goes for a good buy. All right, so this is for me on Apple. And also we see that if you look into the NASDAQ, the market, whenever the market started going up, it started struggling from its major higher zone. Like from here, when the market started going up, goes down from this place, and again it tried to goes up, but this kind of range it has making, which is a sign of a struggling market. Although the RSI, if you could see to this area, which is at 80 levels, and even though the market has been going up in uptrend, the RSI has been showing a downtrend, right? So we see that the the volume and the pressure for a buy is struggling in this area. So I still expect, and as you all can see, the market, the NASDAQ is already on its major resistance zone. So I still expect that it might goes down and then comes back to this 15,000 level again. All right, although we are having Fed news today, all right, though we will be waiting for the news and then again begin our trading based on the news. But this is the zone which I am looking for the NASDAQ, and that will push down the other stock as well, which is stated under the Apple and many more NASDAQ exchange stocks. Now moving ahead with the AMD, I have already told you I'm not looking for a buy right now. As you all can see that we can still see that NASDAQ, AMD comes move like this and then goes up from this place. So I'm still waiting for the $100 support area, which is going to be my another buy zone from here. So I'll be waiting for the AMD, although I have been holding this from $80, but I'll still wait for another move for the buy. All right, now let's get back to the MSFT. So although we were looking for a sell, but still all the NASDAQ and all the Dow Jones has pushed the price forward, which made also the stocks to go forward, I mean in a buy direction. So what we can really expect that the market from the Microsoft is that even though we see that from here to here the market has gone to almost $50 to $60 move it has given already. All right, so I'm still expecting that it might little bit make a little bit range and then goes down and then goes up. All right, because market doesn't go up one shot, it goes up, make correction, goes up, make correction, goes up, make correction. This is the sign of a stable stable stock. All right, so for Microsoft this is it. Now moving ahead with the Tesla. Now as you all can see that Tesla has been even though it has already broken the major support and major resistance, but still it is struggling at the zone, which is $720 range. But the second thing that I see in here is that even from this area the market has already made a good buy, Alright, like if I show you on the weekly basis, now yes, you all can see that there is no sign for bearish move right now. Alright, like we cannot say that the Tesla is going to be bearish, because you know it has broken the major resistance. Alright, and it might goes like this as well, and I won't be surprised from this move. So for Tesla we can still expect the move, although we have taken the buy from this place, but still for short-term traders and also for us to get a good return and good reward from this place, I'm still expecting that this is going to be this is my expectation for the Tesla right now on the technical basis. Alright, now at last I'll just move ahead with the Netflix, and as you all can see that Netflix has done so well. And in the previous video I have told you that you don't have to worry about the Netflix, because it has making the double bottom and then it can move ahead with the buy. So it has taken the support from this place and then it started going up, and it has, you know, for our option buyers, for option buyer that I have told people to go for a buy, it's around, and the target making $550, which is, you know, succeeded. So we see that so I'll be exiting the Netflix today itself, so I won't be holding for my options, and I'm still expecting for the Netflix to, you know, make range a little bit, as it has already traveled a lot from that place to, and still expect that it might goes to 560 or $555 again. Alright, so this is it for me, and I hope you like videos. So please share, subscribe and follow, so that you don't miss any of our videos in near future. And also I'll be making another videos a lot. Alright, so please stay in touch with us. Alright.